Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So it's been a little while since I've last done a Beauty Bay haul, but here I am again with another one. Here is my ginormous box packed full of goodies, and I can't wait to show you what I purchased in my latest haul from Beauty Bay. So let's have a look at the items. I picked up 12 items in my latest haul. There is quite a range of products, and I will of course link everything in the description. Hopefully it's all still available when you come to watch this. The first thing I picked up in my Beauty Bay haul was actually a sheet mask, and I've got this strawberry one here. So this is Pure Essence mask sheet, obviously in strawberry, and I have used a couple of their sheet masks before. I think I had the charcoal one and the acai berry one. They were both really nice. I thought because I've had two of these before and they were fine, that I would give this one a go as well. My second item I picked up in my haul is actually another sheet mask. This time it's a Shea butter one. Again, I've used their mask before, as I said, with the strawberry one, and this one just sounded really nice. It sounded quite relaxing, and yeah, just fancy giving it a go, and I'm excited to try it out. The next item is a bit more makeup related, and this is from Revolution. This is their Banana Light baking powder. So it's just a loose baking powder. To be honest, I thought it actually was going to come in a bigger packet. I had visions of it being a bit larger. I know obviously it's powder, so it doesn't weigh very much, but maybe that was just me. But I haven't tried the Revolution baking powder before, but I have heard really good things. No doubt I will use it very soon and be able to give a bit more feedback about it. The next item actually might be a bit of a spoiler for one of the other items coming up. So this is a brush. This is the BB211, and this is a fine liner brush, so perfect for applying liquid or gel eyeliner. So bear that in mind, could be a spoiler for an upcoming item in this haul. Very nice brush, of course, very fine on the end, which is what I wanted. The bristles do feel quite firm, which is what I would look for in a liner brush, especially if you're working with gel or liquid. You don't want it to be spreading all over the place. You really want a good element of control when you're doing the liner. And I have used some of Beauty Bay's brushes before, and they are really good quality. You'll see why I've bought it as part of this haul shortly. Next up, I've got an eyeshadow palette that I have been looking at for a while. This was on like super mega offer. I do remember the price of this because it should have been £30. It was actually reduced to £12. And this is the Sample Beauty Painters palette, and I've definitely been eyeing this up for a while, and really for £12 I had to get it. So these are the beautiful shades inside. I just thought that this was a really gorgeous collection of shades. There's some really gorgeous looking shimmers, some lovely mattes, really just good range of colours, and it has also got a big mirror in. The packaging is lovely. It's all kind of like an embossed feeling, but it feels like really great quality. I haven't used any of Sample Beauty's products before, but yeah, just really happy to get this. It's got 30 shades. As you saw, they all look really lovely, and I can't wait to use this out for the first time. The next item I picked up from Beauty Bay is a lipstick. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is shade Sugar Plum Fairy. So I don't know if you can see, but this is a really gorgeous purple, and most of my lip colours are pink or red or nudes, and I thought this would be just a really nice addition. I have used a few Wet n Wild products before. I used their eyeliner and a few other bits, so I thought I had nothing to lose really by trying this out, and I thought the shade looked really pretty. It is quite dark and I haven't swatched it, so I'll definitely have to give it a go, and I'll let you know how I get on with it. The next item I picked up from Beauty Bay actually is something that I've never tried before, and it was these pore refining nose strips. So these are from the OK brand, and you get 5 strips. It says here that they're suitable for weekly use. You literally just pop the strip over your nose, leave it for, I think it says, yeah, 10 to 15 minutes, and then take it off. I've seen a lot of people using these, and I've never tried them out myself, and I thought thought I'd give it a go. It was quite an inexpensive product and I thought that the packaging was really cute. I picked up another Beauty Bay product and this is their eye base. So I do already have their eye base in shade 1. This is the packaging, but I decided to pick up eye base in shade 2. So eye base 1 is just a completely white base and eye base 2 is just a nude eye base, and I really like the eye base that I already have, but I don't always want to use a white one. I thought rather than trying out a different brand or a different one, I would just go with what I know and just get a different colour. The next item I got was a selection of brushes from Beauty Bay. So there's 5 different eyeshadow brushes here. The packaging is very cute and I have used Beauty Bay brushes before. They are really great quality. Of course, I've already picked up a liner brush in this haul. I do have a lot of brushes though, and I was thinking of doing a bit of a giveaway with these brushes. So there are 5 different brushes, so maybe if you could just leave a comment and let me know whether that's something you'd be interested in taking part in. I would only be able to do it within the UK, just because postage outside of the UK would be ridiculous, but it's something I'm thinking about doing. So yeah, leave a comment if you would be interested in me doing a bit of a giveaway on these brushes. Okay, and my next item comes in this mysterious little box within my box, and I said with the liner brush that was a bit of a spoiler for what was to come. So I'll show you what's in this box. I'm actually really excited about this. So here is the inside of the box, and inside it there are 5 of these little packets. There is also this multi-use setting liquid. So within each of these packets is a loose pigment, and this is a collection from Sample Beauty, and these 5 loose pigments can be used to make liquid eyeliner. Graphic liner is definitely something that I really want to get into and just really want to get better at doing. Obviously I don't want to open them all up because they are properly sealed, but I'm sure there was like a red, a yellow, a blue, green maybe, but I will leave it in the description, so definitely go and check it out. But I'm just really excited about trying this out and just creating some really fun graphic liner looks. Okay, I've just got 2 items left in my haul, and these are probably the 2 items from Beauty Bay that I have really wanted for the longest time. This second to last item is actually the NikkieTutorials and Beauty Bay palette. It is just gorgeous. I mean, this black sparkly packaging, I love the keyhole, the images in it are so cute. I love Beauty Bay palettes anyway, and I know their formulas are impeccable. So if you haven't seen it before, or if you have, this of course is the packaging. We've obviously got the lighter shades on this half of the palette and the darker shades on this half of the palette, and the mirror on the lighter shade is just a normal mirror, and the mirror on the darker side is a magnified mirror. But this palette is just stunning. I mean, look at those colours. Those shimmers look so soft and so buttery. I just can't wait to just get stuck in and use it. And this just leaves one final item, and again, this is an item that I have really wanted for the longest time ever. I do already own one of these in red and pink, but I've opted to go for the Jeffree Star Cosmetics purple mini velour liquid lipstick set. And how lovely is that packaging? I say I have this in red already, but I've really just wanted this purple one. And I know purple lipstick sounds a bit scary and a bit out there, but I assure you the shades do not look as scary as anticipated. I will get them out and show you. I won't swatch them just because I haven't opened them yet, but I will show you the mini tubes and all of the shade names and everything. So this is the inside. There is 8 different mini lipsticks in here, and I love his velour liquid lipsticks. They are probably my favourite lip products of all time. I'm wearing Watermelon Soda at the moment. The first one, this is Royal Armour, and this is like a light purple, but it's got really lovely gorgeous shimmer in it. The next up is I'm Vulgar, and this is like a metallic pink shade. Next up is like a pastel purple. It's like a matte pastel shade. This is I'm Royalty, and this looks really pretty as well. Next up is Scorpio. This is more like a grey toned purple, but again looks really nice. This is the lightest shade. This is Virginity, and just looks like a really light purple. Next up, another lovely lilac-y purple colour. This is Blow Pony. This looks really beautiful as well. Another metallic purple shade. This is shade Clout. So that looks like a really great shade. And lastly is a deeper pinky purple. This is Berries on Ice, and that looks really cute as well. So despite the fact all of the shades are purpley, they definitely look really wearable. But really, I just can't wait to try these out with some really cute purple look. I really hope that you liked the items I picked up in my haul. Do let me know if you have any of these items yourself, or whether you've been eyeing them up as well. As I said at the start, I will pop details for all of the products in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.